Did you know that you can now create your own music and songs, even if you have no background in music or can't play any instruments? Yes, it's completely possible for anyone. In this AI music generator free video tutorial, I'll show you how to use 5 free AI music generators to get started. I've tested each one, so you don't have to. Simply compare the results in the final section of each part and pick the one you prefer. So don't forget to hit the like button, target 1,000 likes of this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. The first free AI music generator I'll show you is Loudly AI. To AI background music, you can find the link in the video description. To get started, click the login button and sign in using your Google, Facebook, or email account. Once you're in the user dashboard, click AI text. To music, enter your prompt in the prompt box and click generate. Here's the result. If you're not satisfied, you can fine-tune the music by adjusting the settings. Just go to the generator options and customize the settings to get a better result. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can refine your music by adjusting the settings. Once everything is set, click the generate button to create your AI music. To download your creation, click the download button with a free account. You can only download your music in MP3 format and are limited to 1 DID to 1 download per account. Here's the result from this part. The second best free AI song generator is Suno AI. You can visit Suno AI's official website through the link in this video's description. On the homepage, you can listen to examples of their AI-generated music. Create your own AI music. You'll need to sign up for a Suno AI account. Click the sign up button and sign in with your Discord, Google, or Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, click on the Create and you'd open the Create Music page. Describe the type of music or song you want to create using natural language. If needed, you can also set the BPM, which stands for beats per minute. BPM measures the tempo or speed of the music. The tempo refers to how fast or slow the music is, while the beat represents the duration of each note. Essentially, BPM is the unit that determines the song's pace. What is a typical BPM for music? Most of today's popular songs are written in a tempo range of 100 to 140 BPM. For example, Beat It by Michael Jackson is set at 138 BPM, while Dancing Queen by ABBA has a tempo of 100 BPM. Many songwriters find that 120 BPM is an ideal tempo for crafting a hit song. Next, you can choose to turn the instrumental option on or off. Then, select the version of the AI music generator you want to use from the list. Once everything is set, click the Create button to generate your AI music. After the AI music is generated, you can listen to your AI music by clicking the play button. If you're not happy with the result, you can improve it by adjusting your prompt and generating it again. If you're satisfied with the music, go to the library page, find your song in the list, click the options button, select download, and choose to download it as either an audio file or a video file. Here are the Suno AI music results from this section. The third free AI music generator is Revolutionize AI. To make AI music, you can find a link to this tool in the video's description. To get started, click the Try Our AI Music Model button and select the free plan option. You'll need to fill out a form to continue. Then log in to your free account. Enter your prompt in the prompt box, set the music length. Choose the AI music model from the list and click Generate Music to start creating your AI music. What if you're not satisfied with the result? Simply click the Generate Music button to create a new one. If you're happy with the outcome, click the download button to save your AI music to your computer. Here's the AI music free result from this part. The fourth free AI music generator is Music FX AI. You can find the official website link in the video's description. To get started, click the Launch Music FX button and sign in with Google. Enter your prompt in the prompt box. Then, click the Generate button. This AI tool will provide two results. You can adjust the music length in the Settings menu and activate the looping option if you want continuous. Now, let's change our prompt to test out the new settings. After that, click the Generate button to create new AI music with the updated settings. This AI tool will automatically apply settings to your prompt, like music genre, tempo, and more, to optimize your music. If you're satisfied with the result, go to the Library page and click the Download button to save your AI-generated music to your computer. Here's the result from this part. The fifth free AI music generator on our list is Unveil AI. You can find the link to their official website in this video's description. To get started, click on the Sign In button and log in using your Google, Discord, or Twitter account to create an AI-generated song or music. Just enter your prompt in the prompt box using natural language, or you can select from their suggested prompts. You can choose to customize the lyrics, select an instrumental option, or go with auto-generated best AI music. For this example, I'll be selecting the instrumental option. Once you're ready, click the Create button to generate your AI music. After the music is generated, you have several options. You can play it, remix it, extend it, or in-paint it. In this example, I'll choose the remix option to add lyrics to the music. To do this, click on the lyrics option and type in your song lyrics. You can also adjust the variance value if needed. When you're ready, click the remix button to start the process. If you're happy with the result, click the Options button on the song you like. Go to the Library page, select Download, then choose Video, and finally MP3 to download your AI-generated song. Here's the AI voice music result from this section.
So you walk in this room, my heart skipped a beat. Tonight I'm yours, let's make this like a gotta kill the Friday night till something.
Before I conclude, I'd love to hear about your experience with 5 top best free AI music AI song generators. Please share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. If you want to watch how to make $5,000 with viral AI generated anime reels for free 2024 method, click on the left. If you're interested in how to get the best free text-to-speech AI, 11 Labs alternative free, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI goodbye.